So let's have, these are the applications of electric field. So we have here mga sensors na bala, transmitter and receiver. Okay, so though like they serve as an imaginary wire or path for the activation of wireless devices. So a field na siyang naga-work. Same with sa ano siya, sa salakyan. Okay. Mga sensors, and of course in food technology. Okay, processing. Okay. Dira na siya class ang present ang electric field. Okay, we have here the question. Where are you safe during a thunderstorm? In a car or outdoors? Okay, type your answer in the chat box. Again, where are you safe during a thunderstorm? Is it in a car or outdoor? Okay, so the answer for this is in a car. So you're safe to be inside a car than outdoor. So which field is stronger? Letter A or letter B? So again, write your answer or type your answer in the chat box. So we have here, this is letter A. Which is stronger, do you think? Is it A or is it B? Okay, for this question, the answer is letter B. So you will notice that damo siya electric field or damo siya line nga naga-represent sang field line, meaning to say this is an indicator that the electric field is stronger compared to letter A. To better understand electric field, let's have here the sample problems. So let's have problem number 1 or example 1. So here we are asked to find the electric field at point P. So given that our Q1 is equal to positive 3.23 nanocoulomb and the R here or the distance from Q1 to point P is 1.23 micrometer, we are going to solve for the electric field using the formula E is equal to K Q over R squared. So since there is only one charge given, we don't need to label. But if for proper representation, if you want to label, there's no problem. So since in the given, it's Q1, so we can have Q1 or we can leave as is nga Q lang. Okay? So in your seats there, you can try to solve also the problem. So first, let's substitute. So this is 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. Then our Q is 3.23 since it is nano coulomb. So we have times 10 raised to negative, times 10 raised to negative 9 times 10 raised to negative 9 coulomb, and divide this by radius is in micro, meaning it's 10 to negative 6. So 1.23 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter. And tandaan, it must be squared. Okay, so you can try to solve this problem sa inyong seat and you can post your answer sa chat box. Okay, so if you have solved this one in your seats, we have our answer can be expressed in two decimal places. So we have 1.92. So we have 1.92 times 10 raised to 13 Newton per coulomb. Okay, again, the unit for electric field is Newton per coulomb. Nga nag-Newton per coulomb. Okay, if we are going to look at, i-change ko lang anay ang color. Diba? Okay, if we are going to take a look at the units given, so kung meter squared, di ba meter squared ini, so may mo siya nga meter squared. Therefore, makancel ang meter squared by this meter squared. And we have here C squared and C diri sa given nga Q. So, ang isa ka C will cancel sa isa nga C diri. So, bilhin na lang diri is coulomb. Therefore, Newton per coulomb. Okay, amo na nga Newton per coulomb ang unit for electric field. So, in problem number 1, we have our answer na 1.9, sorry, 92 gani, no? 1.92, rewrite ko na lang diri. So, we have 1.92 times 10 raised to 13 Newton per coulomb. And, let's analyze the direction since we said that electric field is a vector quantity. So, hambal ta kagina, if the charge is positive, the direction is outward. So, outward, ang arrow na dira is outward. Okay, outward. Okay, up to the point na makadangat siya sa test charge. Meaning to say, if this is a positive charge, then this is a test charge. Bumata kagina. This is the point charge and this is the test charge. Kaya wala siya given. Therefore, if the arrow is going there sa test charge, tanawon mo kung ano ang iya nga direction. So, diin siya pakadto. Is it to the left or to the right? So, from the arrow, kumbal naton nga the direction is to the right. So, therefore, it's 1.92 times 10 raised to 13 Newton per coulomb right. Okay. If you will be using the four direction nga north, south, east, west, okay man. So, instead of writing right, pwede man siya class that you will be using east. So, it's okay. Now, so mas hapos na siya class ng electric field, it's because the direction is really fixed. Nga kung positive, outward, kung negative, inward. Don't need to analyze anymore the given Q. Okay, and again, still gali this is in absolute value. Kasi malipat ako klasa, absolute value na siya. Isa gina-assume balaan nga absolute value na na. Okay, now let's try number 2. So in problem number 2, we have here negative naman ang Q1. So, find the electric field at point P. Okay. So, we have E equals K Q1 over R squared. So, absolute value. So, we have 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared, Coulomb squared, times the value of our Q is 2.32 times 10 raised to negative 9 coulomb divided by R, which is 1, na-delete lang, which is 1.23 times 10 raised to negative 6 meters squared. Okay. You can try there on your own. Okay, so we have 9 times 10, 2.32 times negative 9 divided by 1.23 raised to negative 6. So we have our answer is 1.38 times 10 raised to 13. Okay, 13 Newton per Coulomb. Then we will be analyzing for the direction. Okay, so our Q1 is negative. Therefore, the direction is inward. Okay, inward. So therefore, kung diri siya, ang aton nga direction is inward. So amo ni siya nga aton direction sang electric field. So the direction is to the left. Therefore, it's 1.38 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton per Coulomb to the left. Or you can have it west. So, okay lang siya. So, this is the answer for problem or for example number 2.